Welcome to representing perspectives of 3D objects. Here we'll look at one-point perspective drawings, which is when an object is drawn as it looks from a single point. And it is used to create the impression of depth and space. Now, objects in the foreground are represented larger than those in the background, and lines that are parallel in reality appear to converge at a vanishing point. So let's look at the diagram, which shows a set of railroad tracks. So it appears that they meet here at a vanishing point. So this is used to show that the tracks are really far away. Now, how do we draw a one-point perspective? Well, first you draw the object that will be closest to the viewer. Then you draw a vanishing point where you want the object to disappear in the distance. It could be directly above, it could be above and to the left or right, directly below, or below and to the left and right. Then you draw a line from each corner of the object to the vanishing point. So example 1, we're going to draw a box with 4 different vanishing points. In A, the point of perspective is going to be above. So let me start by drawing a rectangle, and then a vanishing point above that. So now we draw a line from each corner to the vanishing point. Now if I look at this corner here, if I draw the line, it's going to go through the box. So I'm not going to draw that one. And the same with this one over here. Now up top, I'm going to draw a horizontal line to represent the top of the box. So here we have the box where the point of perspective is above. And at this point, an artist would erase these vanishing lines. So now for B, here we're going to have a point of perspective to be below. So here's my rectangle and here's my vanishing point. So again, drawing lines from each corner to the vanishing point. I'm only going to draw 2. So then I'll draw a horizontal line to represent the bottom of the box. And there's the front. So this looks like the box is vanishing in the distance below. Now let's look at a point of perspective where it's below and to the left. So I'll draw my dot, say over here. So if I draw a line from each corner, this time I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 lines. I'm not going to draw a line from this corner because that will go through the box. So now, if I draw a vertical line, and then a horizontal one, here I have my box. So I've got the front and the side and the bottom. And again, all of these vanishing lines can be erased. Now let's do it where the perspective is above and to the right. Again, using a ruler, connect the corners to the vanishing point. And we wouldn't do this one. So now I can draw a line straight over and straight down. And this would be the box where the point of perspective is above and to the right. Now example 2 wants us to draw a top hat on the grid below. And we're going to create a vanishing point and then sketch a one-point perspective. What is the point of perspective of the drawing? So let me start by drawing a top hat. So I'm going to have my point of perspective below and to the right. I'm going to put it right here. So now I'm going to draw a line from each corner. So here, 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 and here. There are other corners, but that would go through the object, so we won't include those. So now, here we have our top hat that appears to vanish in the distance. So the point of perspective that I chose was below and to the right. But you can choose any perspective that you like.